each one. Cream and H4 for tightening and toning the skin. I'm gonna give myself a little facial before I go to bed. And the tightening oil.我的脖子越来越细了 My neck is getting smaller. 然后看天鹅颈这块要出来了。And evenly apply it to your face. Okay. And then the rest of them, rub it on to the other parts of your body. I like to use this size, the cup, for my facial, so I can give myself a really nice lift. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're only turn on the red button, okay? And, oh, this is on 10. So we're gonna put it, I recommend it started with like maybe 1 or 2, okay? I'm gonna use about 7, because I do this frequently, and I'm not afraid to get bruised. Okay. And you're gonna slowly pull it up to breaking down all the blockage inside the skin. Gonna increase the blood circulation. See, the pinkness is coming up. And you do this for like maybe 10 minutes, and then you're gonna do about 10 minutes of oxygen infusion. This can help you to grow back your eyebrow if you have a thin eyebrow, and also can help with your eyesight. 我的老花眼 I have farsighted problems. I need reading glasses a couple years ago, and now I don't need reading glasses anymore. So doesn't matter you have nearsighted or farsighted, it will all help if you're gonna do it regularly. And then grow your eyebrow back. Maybe your eyelashes. I don't get that close to my eyes, so I never had much eyelashes anyway. It might gonna help to grow eyelashes back if you wanted to try. I think it did grow back a little bit. And don't ever forget the neck. So you do this for about 10 minutes and then you're gonna switch to the blue button for oxygen infusion. If you're gonna keep doing this, you're gonna gain years back to your look. Not just the look back, you're gonna become healthier. And you're gonna feel healthier, more energized. And what you can do is if you have like lumps right here, because a lot of people have blockage right at this point, okay? And you're gonna put it on as hard as you can. It hurts. Usually it hurts a lot because I do it regularly, so mine doesn't hurt that much. So I put it on 10. You want to get the bruise out. Once the bruise out, it will help to open it up faster. So you just leave it on there for a little bit, maybe a minute if you can. If you can take the pin. So this is a point. Okay. And then right here, you can go up and down if you to open the blockages right here. And then behind the ear, like right at this point, if you can see, okay, this is the point you wanted to cup it on. Like leave it there for like a minute, if you can. So those blockage, if it's all open it up, it tones your face back up really fast. So you don't need to get shots. Botox or whatever the other ones, they're bad for you. You can look like a monster in a few years, but if you do this, it's 100% natural. And I'm 52. So look, there's some lines, but not a lot. This video has no filter at all. Okay, so if you can keep doing this, you can gain years back. When you do this area, you have to be careful the veins, the artery right here. So make sure you're not getting any artery. Okay, so it's very important to do behind the ear. So because if our scalp is loosened up, our face is shagging loose. Okay, so once we tone the face, same times we also have to tone our scalp to get it everything pull it back up. You know that, like sometimes when girls wear a ponytail, they pull it backwards, so their face look tighter. By doing this, your scalp pulling back up, so pulls your face, up too. So you have like a facelifting by doing your scalp. So do all the area behind the ear. See? Up. Is good. And after this, you can always like get a great night sleep. Oopsies. One more minute. So if it doesn't stick, it's just like kind of like rocking it a little bit. DIY facelifting. How much do you pay for get a facelifting if you're going to a plastic surgeon? Like maybe around $3,000 to $5,000-ish. Depends on the doctor, right? But there's always chances something can go wrong. Okay. But with this, no side effect, can never go wrong. And it's about a price with a more high-end, expensive side of the facelifting. But with this, you get your face lifted, you can get your boob lifted, your butt lifted, it trim down your tummy, loosens your arm. See, this is what I was been doing while I was driving. I was driving long distance from Atlanta to Virginia. So during the driving, I was doing my arms. So, and listen to my classes. So one stone, three birds at the same time. So I look beautiful, I get healthy, I finish my classes, and I got to my destination. Actually, 4 birds with one stone. Don't you want that? So now we're gonna do the oxygen infusion. So usually we don't have to put it on 10. I usually put it on 0, just do the oxygen infusion. Because our skin, because of the environment, and then because of the lifestyle, our body in general will lack of oxygen. So this will be forcing oxygen into our skin. So if you can do this like 2 times a week or 3 times a week, it depends how young you want it to look, how big of a age reversing you want it to have. If you go compare to my videos from years ago, you will see how different I look, how many years I gained it back. we have a flat cup, which you can go around your nose and your eyes. I'm just always lazy to switch in cups. I like to do it with 2 cups. See how nice my eyebrow is? 100% natural. I was already having like very sparse eyebrows. There's like a lot of holes in between because I'm losing hair on it. And then since I start doing this, everything grows back. I'm really, really happy and satisfied with the result. And I love this piece of machine. It's one of the best beauty device I ever got. It's a little bit pricey, but you know, compared to what I used to pay, and that doesn't work, and I add it up, this is like no big of a deal. And also I've been doing my hair a lot, my scalp, not hair. And I do notice that my hair is growing back too, and my white hair, my gray hair is less right now. So after you finish completely, then you can put a mask on it. And which, you know, our oil is great. You don't even need to wash off the oil. Just rub it in and then put your mask on. And at this point, all your cells are so awakening, and they absorb the nutrition from the mask so much faster, so much better. Okay, so you can do this for 15 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 or 20, is up to you. And then you can put your mask on. I don't have a mask with me tonight, but I'm just gonna go to bed. Good night. Mwah.